Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, the son of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, but he can make it on impact on history. He is a very talented. He know lot of languages. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj know lot of languages. He is very talented in use of various type of the weapons. The sword weight of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj is 1011 gram. 1011 gram. That is 1 kg and 100 gram over. 1.1 kg, 1 kg and 100 gram over. The sword weight depend upon. They can study the sword weight because the flexibility of motion in the war is very important. So sword weight depend upon this. The heavy sword used for the festival, for the worship, and the somewhat light sword used for the war, because the motion of the sword is very important. So if you like this information, share this information and subscribe. Thanks.